Your tonsils just coughed up a tiny, irregular planet. No, seriously, your mouth is housing something that looks like it belongs on an alien world. Think about what that actually means. You've been unknowingly growing a mini moon in your throat. Nobody talks about this, but there's a whole ecosystem happening in there, and you just expelled its biggest resident. Imagine if these weren't just stones, but tiny cities with their own cultures and histories. What if they're not just waste products, but signs of some larger process we don't understand? Your sleep apnea might be a galaxy in the making.